Weekend's almost over, and you know what that means. Back to the grind. But hold on. You don't have to be the same person you were last week. You've got 24 hours to shake things up. Seriously, imagine the look on people's faces when you show up tomorrow. Totally different. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix yourself in one day. Start by doubling the size of your muscles using the glycol flush method. You can grow the size of your muscles in just 24 hours. First, begin with a high-volume workout on Sunday morning. If you don't have a high-volume workout split, don't worry, I'm putting one on screen for you. Pause the video, take a screenshot, and save it. The goal here is to focus on a high-volume workout to deplete your muscles of their glycogen stores, which will be key later on in the day. Once you're done with this step, I need you to completely dehydrate your body. The easiest way to do this is by using a sauna at your local gym. Go in for 15 to 30 minutes. If you don't have access to a sauna, you can do this for free by putting on multiple layers, some shirts, a hoodie, and heading outside to do high-intensity sprints. Sprint for 30 seconds, followed by 60 seconds of walking, and repeat this 10 to 15 times. After that, you're going to overload your body with carbohydrates. One study found that when athletes followed this exact method, they saw supernormal muscle glycogen levels in just 24 hours. This is what gives your muscles that bigger and fuller look. The best foods for these carbs will be oats, rice, pasta, and fruits. Follow these steps, and it'll look like you just finished a natural steroid cycle in 24 hours. Your muscles will appear fuller, and this is how impactful the information in this video will be. Everything I'm about to show you will completely change how you look in just 24 hours. Number 2. Instantly balance out your skin with this cheap ingredient. Look, the guy on the left has a balanced skin tone, while the guy on the right has an unbalanced one. All the guy on the left did was improve his skin tone. Nothing else, and he already looks better. This proves that one of the quickest ways to transform how you look and become unrecognizable is simply by improving your skin tone. Now, if you go on Google and look up how to fix skin tone, and you'll get tons of ads for pricey stuff. Skip that. You can get results with cheap products thanks to Aloin. Studies show uneven skin tone is from too much tyrosinase, an enzyme that darkens skin. Aloin blocks tyrosinase, balancing your tone. So how do you get Aloin? Simple. Head to your local supermarket, go to the self-care aisle, and find the after sunburn section. Look for aloe vera gel. Studies show that certain chemicals in aloe vera, like aloin, have skin lightening properties. Once you have the gel, apply it to your face right after washing it. Do this every morning and night, and repeat the next day. Within 24 hours, you should notice a significant improvement in your skin tone. Now let's talk about wearing the right t-shirts for your body type. If you're on the smaller side and want to look bigger or more muscular, go for a crew neck shirt. The higher neckline will make your shoulders and upper chest appear broader. You'll notice the difference instantly, especially if you already have an athletic build. Now, if you want to look taller, you can go for something like a cropped t-shirt. This style will visibly make your torso look shorter and your legs look longer, giving you that taller appearance. Notice how the cropped shirt shifts the focus to my legs, making them look longer than when I wear a regular shirt. Now finally, if you're more self-conscious about your body, maybe you have extra fat on your body, and you want to cover it up, this is where you go for an oversized fit. But here's the catch. Don't just grab any oversized shirt. You want one that's designed to be baggy. You want to look for drop shoulders and a thicker material, as this is going to soften your body, so you can't see any imperfections. Fix your eyebrows using the golden ratio. Even the most good-looking guys can look bad if they don't have well-groomed eyebrows. They become almost unbearable to look at. Just look at the before and afters. This means the better your eyebrows, the more attractive you'll be. But achieving great eyebrows isn't just about trimming them or shaving the middle. It's about following the golden ratio. This isn't just an opinion. It's backed by science. In a recent study, researchers asked both men and women to rate celebrity photos based on eyebrow appearance. They discovered two things. First, the best eyebrows were consistently found on men who were already very attractive. Second, the top-performing men all had eyebrows that closely aligned with the golden ratio. The golden ratio, approximately 1.618, represents perfect symmetry and balance in nature. To achieve this perfect balance, you need to groom your eyebrows according to 3 key points. First, where your eyebrow starts. line it up with the side of your nose. Second, where it ends, line it up with your nose and the corner of your eye. Last, the peak, line it up with your nose and the middle of your eye. Do those 3 things, and bam, you'll look way better. Number 5. Tailor your clothes for free using 3 easy steps. If your clothes never fit right, this hack will instantly tailor your clothes without spending a cent. This is crucial because tailoring your clothes is one of the fastest ways to look unrecognizable to others. It can make you look taller and more elongated, especially when it comes to tailoring your pants. Here's how to do it easily. First, ask your mom or grandma for some safety pins. They almost always have some lying around. Next, tuck the extra fabric inside your pants. If your pants have a hem at the bottom, try to leave the hem exposed. Then flip your pants inside out and secure the tucked fabric at the hemline using the safety pins. Within minutes, you'll have perfectly tailored pants without spending a dime, instantly making you look taller and more attractive. Number 6. Eliminate hard-to-remove body odor for good by upgrading your shower routine. First, before you shower, go to your kitchen and grab some baking soda. While you're in the shower, take a bit of baking soda in your hands and add a little water until it turns into a paste. Baking soda contains sodium bicarbonate, which is amazing at absorbing moisture, the place where bacteria thrive. It's also mildly alkaline, making it extremely effective at killing odor-causing bacteria. Once you have the paste, rub it on the 5 areas that cause the most odor on a man's body: your armpits, neck, the back of your neck, feet, and groin. After that, rinse it off. Follow your regular shower routine and put on a fragrance. You won't smell bad all day. This simple trick will keep you fresh and odor-free. Number 7. Keep your shoes perfect in 3 easy steps. If your shoes look dirty, it doesn't matter how nice your outfit is, or if you follow all the other tips, you'll still look messy. That's why keeping your shoes clean is essential. First, grab a bottle of coconut oil and a toothbrush. Apply the coconut oil all over your shoes. It contains hydrophobic triglycerides or fatty acids, which repel water and keep your shoes looking clean. Next, invest in shoe trees or toe box stiffeners. While plastic ones are cheaper, wooden ones are more effective and can be found on Amazon for around $10. Insert them into your shoes after every wear to stretch out the leather and prevent creasing. Finally, use an old toothbrush with a bit of water and dish soap. The bristles are abrasive enough to lift dirt without damaging the leather. Use circular motions to clean your shoes thoroughly. By following these 3 simple steps, your shoes will last 10 times longer. And if you apply everything shared in this guide, you'll wake up tomorrow looking like a completely different man.